Hello, viewers. In this video, we will address a common problem faced by Instagram users in 2023, the issue of note features not showing up. We will guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem in a formal and informative manner. Let's get started. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile by clicking on Profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, click on Settings, and then on Privacy. In Privacy page, search for Activity Status, turn it on, and go back to your home page again. After refreshing page, check if note features are showing or not in Inbox menu. If it didn't work, go to your App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that it's completely updated. If update option is available, update it and check again by visiting Instagram Inbox again. If it's still not working, a weak or unstable internet connection can also affect the functionality of Instagram. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Last option is uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it from the official App Store. This can help resolve any corrupted app files. If you're facing the issue of note features not showing on Instagram in 2023, it's essential to ensure that your app is up to date, your device is functioning correctly, and your internet connection is stable. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the problem and enjoy all the features Instagram has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.